Hello, as we enter cold and flu season, we all want to keep ourselves and our children as healthy as possible. And as well as getting nutrients, a big part of that is about how well we sleep. They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away because of all those nutrients. But as well as that, when we're chewing something like an apple, we're really working the muscles of our face, our tongue, and even the throat at the back. And actually keeping those muscles toned helps our tongue to stay in the right place, which helps us to breathe through our nose and to sleep better all night. You can find out more about this in my upcoming webinar on the 21st of November. Cheers!